This is my sniper. Alright. Just hold that.
Should do a durability test on it.
Yeah, just break it.
Smash it against a tree.
Alright guys, this is the stock cylinder. I'll show you what's inside. Stock cylinder head. If you want to upgrade it, this is what you're gonna need. A new piston, Dave. New piston with the piston cap. Spring guide, preferably steel. And a good spring. This is a 170 spring.
Whoa!
Alright, what you do is just take it out. Now you got the empty cylinder. You just switch them. Put the spring in. 170. About 520 FPS with .2s.
They're counting me with this right now.
Oh my god. And you just put the...
Well, I don't know how to put this on right now, but you will learn soon.
There you go. You just put this on, tighten it up, you're done.